Yo man, Charlie, what's up man? Welcome to another edition of Montana Reacts man. This is the Montana. Your favorite artist, your favorite whatever man. I'm just right here reacting to some videos coming out of GH man. This one is sick man. Yapono, he calls this one Befu. Charlie, if you dey around the Tema, Ashiyama, you know that area, that side, Gulf City, they go there down there. If you dey around that side, you know they feel Yapono, my nigga, you are lost, man. Yapono, one of the greatest rappers around that area, man. Shout outs to Sako there, shout outs to the boys coming down. And like I said, me, I want sponsor video for one of you guys, one of the upcoming guys. I want sponsor video for somebody. So if you're down with it, just get in touch with me, man. Inbox me, send me a message in my inbox, and Charlie, make us see what we fit do. If I will post your track, I will react to your track. I will give the audience a chance to react to your track. If your track be dope enough, my nigga, me, I will sponsor video for you, whatever it takes, man. I'll sponsor that video for that person. Anyway, like I said, I'm here to react to that video from Yapono called this Befu. I don't know if I did pronounce them right, but man, he says Befu. Anyway, let's jump into it, man. Watch the video with me.
Sorry. Man. Yeah.
Tell them 2019,
no, darling.
You know they come free.
Boy, we bad.
Fox speed, roll it.
Sheesh. I don't believe in love, oh. But I believe in God, oh. Get it wa? So we attack from a distance. So born bad man instant. And they see me as a criminal, but they don't know how to see me. Get it wa? From a distance. So born bad man champagne fire on me. Oi, Jaja in blessing the fire on me.
Yo man, see, I just love the rhythm. I love the rhythm. I love the video. Charlie, Yapono, he sing. I love when Yapono is singing. He rap too, but Charlie, when he sings, Charlie is just magnificent. I just love how he's just putting it down, Charlie. You see how the track they begin. Charlie, let's keep it going.
Hey, this thing they do, they carry me. Oi, champagne and things that they carry. Oi, hey. I don't believe in love, oh. But I believe in God, oh. Get it wa? So we attack from a distance. So born bad man instant. And they see me as a criminal, but they don't know how to see me. Get it wa? From a distance. So born bad man instant. Boy, born bad man instant. Every day we dey give thanks. They see me as a criminal. Every day we dey give thanks. This time we dey give thanks. Our fans they give thanks. Big plans. Big plans. Every day my youth is a bad boy. When the money come we dey enjoy. Befuna yako, ubi pegari photo, ubi so papi tio. Yeah. Obesha na wa yo. Minister will we focus is so on show. Yeah. Oh lady, oh dada, have money. Chop if it's champagne buy on me. Oi, Jaja in blessing the fire on me.
And Charlie, this track is banging, man. I don't know why niggas know they support Yapono. Why niggas know they put Yapono out like that. Why you niggas know they support Yapono like that, man. This track is banging. Befu. Hey, it's badness on another level. Madness on another level, Charlie. Shout outs to my Shama boys, man. You niggas just killing it.
Yeah. This thing they do, they carry me. Oi. Champagne and things that they carry.
Bad man.
I don't believe in love, oh. But I believe in God, oh. Get it wa? So we attack from a distance. So born bad man instant. And they see me as a criminal, but they don't know how to see me. Get it wa? Oi, get it wa? My people fire deal. Tell Caroni say when my people deal. More goons on me, but me no go pay. Ebeba, so ebeba no na you bail. Ekpelekpeji, so ebeba no we go pay. Ajay, sika beba o, osheo, pefun. See a long time man a deal. Say muji mi aya di moja beku from ne. My nigga we dey kill for the other side. But I believe in God, oh. Get it wa? So we attack from a distance. So So born bad man instant. Link rich rastas from the other side. Let me show you how we kill a young Kerewa. From a distance, so born bad man instant.
Man, this shit is self-explanatory, man. I don't need to even talk too much, man. Y'all put no but the fire on this track, man. I don't even need to talk too much. The director on this one, Charlie, dope. You see, Charlie, man, artistic, impression, man. I just love everything. I don't even need to talk too much, man. Big out to my Shaman niggas. Shout outs to Rag Out, where my boys from Rag Out, where, man, we taking it to the next level. Like I said, me, I want sponsor video for somebody. I want to give out a music video for somebody. I did try set up like some music video production, stuff in Ghana. I will start to give out free music videos to upcoming artists within the dope. You don't need to sign any contract with me, man. I'm just giving you a free video just to get you on the star level. Anyway, if you dey float Tema Montana, like I said, man, follow me on Facebook or like my page on Facebook, whatever you guys say. Subscribe to my channel on YouTube, man. And YouTube here, Charlie, we hear the sleep. All the tracks where they come out, Montana, they react, they promote them. If you know, say they from Montana, Charlie, share my stuff. And get in my inbox, man. Come in my inbox, man. If you won't deal with me, come in my inbox. Send me a message. Let's talk, boy. Charlie, let's talk, man. This is Tema Montana, like I said. This one be quick food, eh? Uptown energy, and we are like that, man. Oh.